Welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook profile account permanently. If you're very annoyed with your Facebook account or if you don't want Facebook anymore, then this is the video just for you. Open a browser and from here log into Facebook, log into your account, okay, and then come to the right hand side corner and you will see account section. Click on that. Click on settings and privacy. Then click on settings. Then you will find this account center. After a few minutes, a see more in account center will pop up. Click on that. Now go to personal details. Click on personal details. Click on account ownership and control. Click on deactivation or deletion. Click on your profile. Click on delete account. Click on continue. Click on continue. Click on any of the option from here. Click on continue. Click on continue. Okay. If I just click on continue, my account will permanently